Hello parents. I submitted a request to Google Read and Write, which is my favorite for writing class. And so I'm waiting to hear back from them. So for now, I want to just send this video to make sure that your student has Microsoft Office installed on their computer so they can make, PowerPoint presentations or Word documents, or OneNote is really fun as well. So, and it's free for kids, free for education. So I just typed in Microsoft for Students, free Microsoft Office 365. It'll prompt you to enter your school email address. If you do not know it, it is on the front page of your student's OLS homepage. It should be up in the top right corner somewhere. If not, I can find it for you. Just let me know. You'll type in your school email address, get started, and it's totally free, and it'll download all of it to your computer. I would suggest doing it after school one day when you guys are all done. Call, text, email if you guys have any questions about it, and I will try this to get your kids into it on Tuesday. So just a heads up. Thank you for your time, guys. Have a great Sunday. Go Colts!